Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ClickUp integrations for tasks and notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify ClickUp integrations for tasks and notifications, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to check the integrations. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Select Integrations from the menu options. Here, you'll see a list of all available integrations. Locate the specific integration you want to verify. Click on the integration name to access its settings. Ensure that the integration is turned on. This may be indicated by a toggle switch or checkbox. If the integration is off, toggle it to the on position. Next, check the configuration settings for that integration. Follow any prompts to link your account or authorize the integration if necessary. Review any options that allow you to customize notifications for tasks. Make sure that the correct channels for notifications are selected. Once you've verified the settings, test the integration by creating a new task. Observe if notifications are sent as expected. If you encounter issues, return to the integration settings to troubleshoot any problems. Confirm whether additional permissions are needed for notifications to function properly. Once you are satisfied that everything is set up correctly, exit the integration settings. You have successfully verified your ClickUp integrations for tasks and notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.